Question number 14. Lines Written in Early Spring is a 1798 poem by William Wordsworth. In the poem, the speaker describes having contradictory feelings while experiencing the sights and sounds of a spring day. So, contradictory feelings he is having. Which quotation from the lines written in early spring most effectively illustrates the claim? Is it A, through primrose tufts in that sweet bower, the periwinkle trailed its wreaths, and is my faith that every flower enjoys the air it breathes? B, the budding twigs spread out their fan to catch the breezy air, and I must think, do all I can, that there was pleasure there. See, the birds around me hopped and played, their thoughts I cannot measure, but the least motion which they made, it seemed a thrill of pleasure. D. I heard 1,000 blended notes, while in a groove I sat reclined, in that sweet mood when pleasant thoughts bring sad thoughts to the mind. So since we need the contradictory feelings, which should we choose? So if you say D, well done, that is the correct answer. Choice D is the best answer because it most effectively illustrates the claim that the speaker has contradictory feelings while experiencing the sights and sounds of spring. The quotation indicates that the speaker is reclined in a groove. So he is reclined in a groove, listening to 1,000 sounds, even though the speaker is in a sweet mood. So in that sweet mood and thinking pleasant thoughts, that too he is having even pleasant thoughts. Those pleasant thoughts also bring to mind sad thoughts. In other words, these lines illustrate the claim that the speaker is having contradictory thoughts while immersed in the sights and sounds of spring. A is incorrect. Although this quotation refers to several flowers, primroses and periwinkles, and indicates that the speaker is in a bower or shady spot among the trees, details which suggest that the speaker is experiencing the sights of spring, it doesn't suggest that the speaker is having contradictory feelings, only that the speaker believes that the flowers are experiencing enjoyment. B is incorrect. Although this quotation focuses on the sights of spring, namely new leaves on nearby trees appear to be opening up, the budding twigs spread out their fan to feel the breeze, the quotation doesn't suggest that the speaker feels conflicted about this. The statement, and I must think, do all I can, suggests the speaker's determination to attribute feelings of pleasure to the trees, not that the speaker is experiencing contradictory feelings. And C is incorrect. Although this quotation indicates that the speaker isn't certain what the birds are thinking, their thoughts I cannot measure, there's nothing to suggest that the speaker is experiencing contradictory feelings. Rather, the quotation suggests that although the speaker is uncertain about the bird's feelings, the speaker believes that the bird's movements likely suggest their pleasure. So I hope that's clear. This is quite easy.